Hey guys, so I found this on samsclub.com. I did want to get it a couple of months ago, but it was only available to be shipped, and I didn't want to pay the $8 in shipping, so I randomly checked today and they had it, so I picked it up along with other things. So these are Ferrero eggs, and we have hazelnut, caramel, and cocoa. There are 50 in the box. Here's the pack. So we have the nutrition facts and the ingredients. I think when I bought these, I thought that they came with like peanuts or nuts on the inside based off the picture, but it's just the filling that changes, so that's kind of a bummer. They were $12. If you're putting these in eggs or in baskets or piñatas, this is like a really good deal. Here's how it looks when you open the box. So you would get these 4 pouches. Super cute. Based off of smell, caramel is my least favorite. I just hate a butterscotch smelling caramel. Like, just call it butterscotch. It definitely smells artificial. Here are the eggs for size reference. Here's another reference. Okay, so let's start with the original, the hazelnut. I didn't like the outside chocolate. It was very milky, but to me it tastes cheap, which is kind of unfortunate because the box says this was made in Italy, but I'm not quite sure about what parts are made in Italy. I did really like the crisp part, and the inside, the texture was pretty interesting. It wasn't like Nutella as far as consistency, but it did kind of taste like Nutella. Maybe I could say like a milk chocolate version of that, but like light in flavor, or like a knockoff version. There was a slight chemical taste in the chocolate, not in the hazelnut spread, just in the outer shell, so I didn't like that. Next, let's do caramel. The outside coating does look a different color. Let's try. The consistency of this one is different from the last one. The inside flavor of caramel wasn't my favorite, but I really like the outside of the chocolate more than the outside of the hazelnut one. I didn't taste chemicals in it at all, but unfortunately I didn't like the taste of the cream filling. Last, we have cocoa. Cocoa is definitely my favorite. I liked the outside and the inside. I didn't taste any chemical taste. It kind of reminded me of this chocolate, which I really love, but I prefer the Rondors because they have more textures and they're more rich. I'll give hazelnut a 4, caramel a 2, and cocoa a 6.